So kids, this video is for you to see where we started. And looking at it, this thing's been sitting out here for a little while, so I apologize for the mess. It's probably the worst you guys have ever seen it. Just waiting to do what I need to do with the F-150, because I got to pull the axles on that, and then obviously re-gear them, overhaul them, and kind of move forward on that before we think about stuffing them underneath this Bronco. However, this is it. You can see a few of the differences are going to be the front axle, and that is a Dana 44. However, it's a independent front suspension Dana 44. We're converting that to now a straight axle, which is going to have a little bit more off-road prowess, if you will. But yeah, just a complete cutout. All the brackets and all the stuff necessary to install that will be removed, because we'll have to update it with different brackets, and then kind of co-mingle the two. The other thing is going to be this rear end, and this rear end is not a bad rear end. It's actually a Ford corporate 8.8, which would be fine, but being as how we are running bigger tires, we want to have something just a little bit more beefy, and we've got the option to do so. So you can actually see that this rear end is actually going to be changed out to that Ford 9-inch. And then also, which is kind of tough to show you, is the transfer case. The transfer case in this particular vehicle is going to be an all aluminum case transfer case, and I don't know exactly the ratio. But the transfer case that we have in that 78 F-150 is a cast case, and it should actually have a little bit better low range too as well. So that'll help us not only be a little bit more bulletproof because of those tire sizes that we're running, and hopefully a better final drive ratio when it's locked into 4-wheel drive or 4-low. Anyways, so this is the Bronco. You've seen the Bronco before. This is just basically one last shot at how it was before we got started, and there it is. And we talked about doing many things like paint and whatnot, but I think more importantly is we start out with the axles and the powertrain, and then we can work on the dysfunction as far as the paint and the discoloration on the lights and whatnot. But yeah, at this point, just say goodbye to the way it looks now, because when I get done with it, it's gonna look a whole lot better. Be one bad MFer. Either way, we'll talk to you later, kids. Bye.